In this video, I will show you our new product, that is Kinkoney AC energy meter for some different module, N10, N20, and N30, and N60. Okay, let's look at this new product. Okay, let's look at the first one, and you can see this is N60, Kinkoney N60 AC energy meter that have 60 channel CT sensor input port. And now we have released a new version, and you can see this one is N30. That is 30 channel of CT sensor. The function is same as this N60. And if you want smaller, and you can see that is N20. This is N20. This have a 20 channel of CT sensor. And if you want much smaller, that we have released this N10. So that have a 10 channel of CT sensor. And so you can see now we have many different modules you can choose by your AC energy meter project. You can see, and 60 channel, and 30 channel, and 20 channel, and 10 channel. So this function is seen as the software and the PC software and firmware, KCSV firmware. So this is the most powerful and the most input port. And just have some different, just you can see the CT sensor channel is different. This is different. And this function all is same. You can see the terminal, green terminal all is same. That have IS485 12 to 24 volt power supply, and I2C extern and free GPIO, and you can connect with sensor. And also have a LoRa. You can see every board have a LoRa antenna and the ESP32 antenna, and this board also made by ESP32S3. And display, and just this one you can see that have 6 channel voltage input, and this one have 3 channel voltage input of N60. And this one you can see that have 2 channel just used by single phase. You can see that here. And this one you can see only 1 channel voltage input. So this is a different from different AC energy meter board, and all can install on the DIN rail. You can see is used by the same practical sure, just the size is different, and the function all is same. Support Home Assistant by ESP Home, support KCSV3, and support write by Arduino source code. We have Arduino source code in our form. You can download it from Kinkoney form. Okay, so you can see this is some different new ESP32S3 AC energy meter you can choose for your project. And if you want to see some details of the hardware and the software solution, you can see the last video that have showed, for example, take the N60 video, but the function is same as others. So you can check with the last video. Okay, this is the Kinkoney new N series AC energy meter board. Okay, thanks for watching.